Hey guys, I'm so excited to announce that my debut EP has been released. It came out this past Tuesday, so if you haven't had a chance to check out the music yet, you can get it on iTunes. Just type in Sandra Lynn and you'll get the 3 songs there. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. I would love to get your comments and feedback. You can hit me up on any of my social media pages or at sandralynnmusic.com. And also very exciting is one of my songs is called Hanging With You. And we are all hanging with together on this app, so I just think that's pretty cool and love the little connection there with this application. So very excited to be able to broadcast on here and let you guys all know. And also the video for You Belong is now out on CMT.com and on YouTube. And thank you so much to y'all who voted this week. We made number 6 in the 12-pack Pure Countdown on CMT. So pretty amazing. Thank you guys for your support, and can't wait to hear all your feedback about the music and the video. And stay tuned because I will be broadcasting in a little bit Eric Clapton from Jazz Fest here in New Orleans. So very excited for that. Got to see the Mavericks and Robert Plant play yesterday and they were amazing. So I will try to get some footage for you guys in a little bit with Eric Clapton. All right, see you soon.